Do you need an open mind to work with social robots in care settings?
I think you need an open mind, but also it's important not to overestimate them where we are now. So I think sometimes people are almost, I think that's also maybe a Danish thing. People are extremely positive about technologies. They think they can solve very many problems. And then they become very disappointed in reality when they cannot do that much without them. So I would say an open mind, but also to remember it's okay to be critical. Because if we don't talk about what doesn't work, we don't make it work. And then they just end up in the cupboard. So I think an open mind to the positive and the negatives of working with social robots, I think.
And one of the things that people talk about a lot is user-centered design, the idea that the people who are receiving these robots help to design them. Do you think that's realistic? Is that a possibility?
It's not only realistic, but it's the only way to make technologies that make sense. Because I think I'm sometimes a bit critical of how in Denmark a lot of money has been spent on welfare technologies, and a lot of it is lying. We call washroom technologies, that they're sort of just, the washrooms are packed, right? They're packed with very, very expensive things. So I think we cannot afford not to do it. And one thing that I've found in previous studies I made about welfare technologies is that there's a tendency to make a technology that solves one problem. And then you don't realize that in care work, you never solve one problem at a time. You always solve many problems simultaneously. So if they don't understand the daily life of care, whether it be dementia or something else, then you might solve one problem perfectly, but you might make 9 other things in that situation more difficult, and then you're not solving anything in the end.